Good morning, traders. What is going on, Jonathan? I'm gonna miss you today, man. Tell your kid to walk to that appointment. Get some fresh air. Take a hike. You got to put some bread on the table, baby. All right, Coin, Elijah, Patriots. Jonathan in the house. Good to see you guys in here. Elijah, I agree with you, man. This market is a little nutso at the moment. Actually, after OXBR yesterday, which you guys know, euphoria always ends in tears. Just sometimes they extend themselves a little bit more than usual on OXBR. Sometimes they do. It is what it is. You got to be prepared. You got to have that risk. But I was kind of looking for another play to pull off an OXBR. You remember OXBR? This one went stupid yesterday. I mean, a lot of times we do not see this where a stock pops up in pre-market like this and then it gives everything back and then pops back up again. Cracked him up, Jonathan. There we go. Starting off the day with a little laughter. Jack Trader, what's going on, man? Elijah, you crushed OXBR. Yes. Oh, yeah. I saw your charts. Yeah, I did see those charts. You did kill that. Taking advantage of the move. But this is what kind of I was looking for, and we're seeing that with USEG this morning. OXBR, huge move, gave it all back, pops back up, and guess what? USEG trying to do the same thing. This smelled like a chat room. I was like, man, this is an anomaly. And I did confirm this was a chat room on USEG, but this may still sustain this move. I definitely wouldn't be short biased on USEG. You guys know me, I'm not trading these lower floats, and USEG is the king of low floats. Is the king of low floats. So 600,000 the float. If you guys are looking over here on the gap up watch list, USEG 601,000 in float, 3.1 million shares traded. So USEG has exchanged hands already 6-7 times or so. And it's going to try to retest these 22s, this 22 high in pre-market. So let's just be prepared for that. Yeah, Patriots, 600,000 the float. Yeah, it's not something I'm going to be trading this morning, but I want you guys to be aware of it. This is the highest play right now. Other than this, the other stocks are really all selling on off. HUSA, that was a leading gapper as well, selling on off. PED, that one fast move up through 4, hit that 20-cent magic area and faded. Everything else is just WWR, completely sold on off. SGLB, I watched this move when it happened and thought maybe this one was sustained, but it hasn't. So pretty much USEG is going to be it on the leading gapper side this morning that you guys need to be aware of if you're going to be trading those. MYOV, what's happening here? A little sell-off. All right. So, yeah, I agree with you, Coin. I like that stock as well. GALT. GALT, not a bad one. So this is what I'm going to be looking at this morning with you. I really like GALT against 425 if we can get a pop there. I'm going to try not to be too hesitant with an entry, but 425 is going to be really tough across the board on GALT. This stock got a little overbought going into the close yesterday. And you guys know what we do when stocks get overbought. When they get a little silly. And they're light on volume, and we're going to start seeing some profit taking. We take advantage of that move. Remember, above average volume equals above average range. So yeah, 425 across the board. We always look left of the chart. Get an idea of the technicals of each individual ticker. This is going to be really tough on GALT. It's already tried to test that 420 area. We'll see if it can test again. It's going to be opening up right near its close yesterday. But I'm with you. I'm with you on that one, Coin. GALT. Me likey. Me likey. Remember, guys, if you want me to trade live today, hit the like button. we get over 10 likes, we shall do it. AQST, we were watching that one yesterday. AQST really held that 480 support so strong. But remember, longs take longer. We always go over that. Shorts are shorter, longs are longer. And this one just took a while to give some money out, but it was money. If we would have traded that, risking off of 480, which it was holding up very well, about 1250, kind of midday yesterday, the stock popped up to around 550. So that one was a nice little play. I just wasn't sticking around for it. If you guys got it, nice work. All right. WKHS, guys. Woo, baby. I mean, looking at this chart yesterday, I sold too early. You guys know we were buying off of the trend line. Here's the trend line on WKHS. I was buying right off of it at 25.50. The stock ended up going up to 28.50. 3 points, baby. Of course I didn't. Of course I wasn't sitting here waiting for that. You guys know how it is. That happened at 11 o'clock, 25.50ish, and then it got that spike. WKHS, it does this randomly. Just these huge volume spikes come in on it. That's something we got to be looking for. But this volume, this trend line is getting really steep. If you guys are taking a look at it, we were trading against this trend line yesterday, but it's already looking like it's going to try to get under that a little bit. It's looking weak, looking like it's going to crack it. The next area of support I got marked off on it is around $26. Let's look left of the chart and find that. We can go last 20 days probably. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, 26 is going to be good support on it. Resistance here, then turns into support there, support into the crack, and then resistance the other day. So 26, we'll be watching that area. I don't think it's going to hold the trend that it was on yesterday. It's just too steep. Too steep, and it's already trying to crack it a little bit. So the next level support, we'll see. But this is how WKHS works. This stock sells off, finds its feet. I mean, look how similar this is, guys. This is something I really want everyone to notice. With every stock, find its personality. Look at last Thursday. Let's zoom in here. This is so eerily similar to yesterday. It's ridiculous. Look at what this stock did. Kind of sold on off to the trend, bought up a little bit, came back, bounced off of it, formed like a little W shape before it started taking on off or around midday, as well as it did yesterday. Let's zoom in on yesterday. Look at this. Sell off to the trend, bounce up, formed a little W pattern, then midday takes off. So this is what WKHS likes to do, that little sell off. So we'll be watching that against around that 26 area on that WKHS. JKS going to be watching that again today. I told you guys probably going to set itself up for another trade today. So I'll be watching JKS out of the gates. We can either risk previous close on it. Ideally, I'd like JKS to pop. Because what happens is when this thing sells on off, it kind of finds its legs, turns back around. It like almost gathers more shorts, you know. Daniel, I agree. Daniel in the house, man, what's going on? Day 2. What happens when these things go red right initially on the day is they'll collect some more shorts and then kind of grind and turn back around and start, heading back on up, and it just keeps collecting shorts, and that's why we keep seeing the squeeze. I want to see this pop out of the gates so we can start seeing some profit taken and for the stock to potentially go green to red and to short into that move. That's what I'd like on JKS versus just I may start it. I may start with a feeler out of the gate, but I really want this to pop for us because otherwise it's still collecting shorts and we need it to squeeze a little bit because right now it's just it's continuing to grind up. Coin made 1 point on USEG, short at 20. What's the USEG doing? USEG at $20, holding on up a little bit. I know this is very long heavy from the chats this morning. Chat's pumping this like crazy. So this is very long heavy at the moment. Let me look at. I'm curious. I'm gonna look on Yahoo Finance real quick and see what the short interest is on USCG. It may not be that heavy because it's only 600,000 to float. I mean, you're just asking to get your head ripped off if you're short on it. Percent held by insiders is 50%? Oh my gosh. You're kidding me. That's hilarious. Yeah, short percent's really low. 5%. Well, we'll be seeing on OXBR. Remember that yesterday coin? Kind of looked like there was going to be a shelf on it. Maybe we'll see some of the insiders saying, they got to throw out like a 10K, I believe, when they start selling their positions. Oh, man. Stock market cracks me up. All right. Let's go on to the next one. Man, I was really irritated this morning. I didn't have shorts on GRAF. I really like GRAF. If you guys have shorts, go for it. I'm just going to go over it. USEG has a shelf. Not surprising. Graph just made a very big move right back up towards resistance here. Resistance on GRAF is at 26.20. Past the whole dollar up to that 20-cent area. Upper shadow here, upper shadow there, candlestick there, then support. Very, very tough 26.20 resistance on GRAF. And a fast move up to there. I don't have shorts. A little irritated. Here's the chart, GRAF. Trend line getting a little steep. I'd be watching this to pop up through 26 and then hit that resistance, start coming back on down. Man, that one irritated me. I like GRAF a lot. Guy Gentile owns 137,500 shares of USEG. Is he an insider? 50% of the shares outstanding are held by insiders. And so 127 to him. And then, yeah, it's absolutely crazy. 10% of the company. Yeah, there are no long-term investors in that company. There will be after today. Boom! Give me a little pop-pow. There will be some long-term investors after today, I'll tell you guys that. Euphoria always ends in tears every time. All right, EIGI. EIGI. The EIGLE. All right, EIGI, this one's got tough resistance. You guys see this at 660. Had a very, yesterday, had crazy abnormal volume coming into it. Popped this thing up from about a point, 540 to 650. So I'll be looking for this one to pop up, towards 660 for a short. That's kind of the idea there. Like EIGI against that 660 area if we get a pop up towards that. And then if it breaks out of that, but way back here we got 720 resistance. The 20s are magic, guys. You guys starting to see that now? 20s are magic. Yeah, it's going to be really tough. All right. Yeah, that's not a play. That's a GLB anymore. USEG USEG is gonna try to hit those pre-market highs probably, or even break out past that. We'll see what happens there. All right, what happened with OXBR yesterday at the open? OXBR. The thing with OXBR is it did not get the volume till the market opened. So this one had a crazy move, kind of faded on down, and then at the market open it got stupid. Stock got stupid. USCG is trying to do the same thing. Had a big move in pre-market, and you know what happens. People catch on to what's going on. They start, buying it, anticipating that move out of the gates, and so it's kind of already made it. So we'll see what happens out of the gates. I'm not sure. We may try to pop up through 22 or start seeing a little bit more profit taken. I certainly wouldn't. I would not go short on USCG. 600,000 in float. Either, yeah, it's an avoid for me. You guys know that. But if you're going to trade it, just be very careful there. Coin, you're playing with fire, man. You're scaring me. Yeah. Playing with fire, bro. Alright. We'll start narrowing in the watch list a little bit, and then we'll go back over a little bit before the market opens back up. For those of you just now rolling out of the bed, I mean, I know how it is. I know how it is with you guys. All right, 10 minutes till the market opens on up. Remember, hit that like button if you guys want to see me trade live today. I am playing golf today. I know you guys are going to laugh at me. So I'll probably go till 9:50, 10 o'clock. Nice, going to keep the hotkeys tight. Yeah, that's why I don't like them, Patriots. The slippage. Oh, man. That slippage is so scary. Slippage just throws you in a deer in headlights. When I used to trade them and get hit with that slippage, I look like a deer staring at headlights. I'd be like, what the heck? Appreciate that logic. SPI going up and down like $8 a time at once. Yeah, especially when those chat rooms are pumping it up with like thousands of people in them. Everyone's buying at the same time. Can get a little scary. So JKS gonna be watching that one for a pop out of the gate. That's what I like there. Gonna load that chart on up. Make sure I still have shorts here. I do have shorts there still. Remember, if you guys are trading against the trend, understand your risk. You got to understand risk, like Coin is. Like Coin's saying, keep the hotkeys tight. Because it can get bad quick. WKHS, I'm watching that against the $26 support. I think we will see a sell off a little bit. Some profit taken. GALT, you guys know that one. A short up against 420, 425. And GRAF, if you have the shorts, 2620 is major resistance on GRAF. 2620 is going to be really tough resistance on GRAF if you guys have the shorts. EIGI, going to see that pop up towards 660 for a short. Going to watch that against 660. Tough resistance, 660. And I believe that's it. Conscious Vegan. I just wrapped up the watch list for the second time. You locked and loaded? Good seeing you here, Conscious. I'll be calling everything out, commentating as best as possible. Fearless Trader in the house. Fearless been killing it. We will be good to go. So I'm going to load up some of those charts. You guys let me know if you have any questions real quick. Conscious finally got your CMEG account locked and loaded, ready to go. It's money time, baby. Patriots, are you live trading? Well, let's see if we got over 10 likes in here. And we do. So, yes, I am a man of my word. I will be trading live. Oh, Patriots wasn't asking me. He was asking Conscious. Not yet. Gotcha. Gotcha. All right, guys. For those of you new in here, make sure you are watching. Help us out. Brad, you in here? Brad's got a keen eye for this stuff. He's good at this. Watch these scanners. Positive intensity. These are momentum stocks. These are stocks taking on off. And when they're highlighted orange, that means what? They're getting fast. They're getting overbought. Coin's been killing these types of trades. So it means get ready for the reversal. So just be mindful of that. Be very mindful. What does it mean when they're highlighted blue? It's a low float. What does it mean when they're highlighted yellow? That's a tiny float. 997,000 in the float UONE. So that's the same thing with USEG this morning. Tiny float. 600,000 in the float. 50% held by insiders. Crazy. All right, so just be mindful of that. Negative intensity is just the same thing on the opposite end of the spectrum. Intensity on the downside. So that's fear. People selling stocks on off. Panicking out of positions. So let's be watching these. These are our momentum scanners. When the market opens on up, help us out. Alert some plays. If you guys are seeing them, I'm going to be kind of planning the trading the plan as far as our pre-market analysis went this morning. So I'm going to start loading some charts on up. We got 4.5 minutes till the market opens on up. Let me get some charts ready to go. Daniel, you're on CMEG. Also took me a while to figure out, but you got it now. You got it. Uno, dos, tres. All right. Yeah, with CMEG, I've been with them for several years. Obviously, been trained with them for a while. I use TD for my charting. And I usually have I have 1, 2, 3. I got 5 monitors loaded up, and what I'll do is have 6 level 2 montage windows open and 6 charts on a different monitor, so I can I can be watching as many stocks as possible from pre-market. Be a little bit more efficient. Conscious Vegan, how do you purchase the shorts if they're not, if it's not ETB? So you're going to go to Trade on your Traders Elite Pro desktop. Click on Trade. It's a tab at the top, and then go down to Short Locate. And that is how you locate them through that. Patriot's the only idiot here trading on TOS. No, you're good, man. You're good. But as you continue business in the trading world, it's not a bad idea to open shop up at a few different brokers. I'm going to look to probably have a few other brokers as well. Make sure I have shorts on everything, because I'm tired of waking up and not having shorts on something. Conscious, you have interactive brokers. Yep. IB is probably the best for shorts. Elijah, CMEG primary and TOS secondary. Yeah, there you go. I like it. Yeah, I'm going to be probably opening up a IB account soonish as well, because they have really good shorts. All right, USEG starting to see a little bit of profit taken. We'll probably see that one. If we start seeing that one stall off right now, it may just open up and try to get a little pop out of the gates. GALT, I'd like for that one to get some bids up for us. Pop up near 420. That's kind of what Coin and I are watching on that. We're not going to miss a play. As usual, guys, the money teams all over everything. Got a minute till the market opens up. Yeah, Elijah, so With what time you use TOS at 7 a.m. and then what's CMEG like 7:30? I'm never trading in pre-market, so I'm not even aware. I thought they opened at like 7:30 though. JKS looking for a pop. Short into that. Let's see what happens. Yeah, 7:30. Gotcha. 30 minutes early. All right, guys. You guys ready to go? 20 seconds. Let's get it. GL8LT, please pop up for us a little bit. Please pop up. EIGI, like that one up towards 660. JKS is getting some bids on it. Starting to get some bids on it. I really want that one to pop up through 38. Looks like it may. The market is now open. Let's see what's going to happen. Watching JKS for a pop up through 38. GALT, that one's getting a few bids on it too. Watching that one closely. USEG seeing some profit taken. PLL trying to get a little pop on it. You guys see that on the intensity scans. GALT. Pop for me, pop for me. Not going to chase anything. We're going to wait for our entries. We are going to wait for our entries this morning. Watch them very carefully. USEG still kind of holding that open. Still holding this open at the moment. It's just selling on off a little bit now. But that one's going to try to hold. Being patient, guys. We're going to be very precise with our entries. GALT, I like that one with you, coin, but I don't really want to short it right here. I want that one to pop up for us. I do not like chasing stocks. JKS popping up a little bit. JLT starting to see that panic under 350 now. Just snapped out of the gate. Everything just, nothing making up its mind yet. Nothing making up its mind yet. MYOV trying to pop out of the gates here a little bit. Man, JKS starting to snap too. EIG, it's snapping as well. Yeah, so nothing's coming to me. Nothing is coming to me yet. USCG still kind of playing around with the open there. I would either avoid it or long on dips probably. That one is 600,000 shares in the float. Little scary. Little scary. WKHS popping out of the gates up towards 28. Daniel, USEG halt. Yep, looks like it. USEG halt. So that's where all the attention is going to be at the open when that thing opens on up. Yep, good old low floater. Yeah, I'm starting to get a little emotional over here, just a little bit, because EIGI worked, GALT worked, and JKS is working, and I didn't get a piece of any of them. Just wanted a little pop, but Still looking, still being patient. Jag Trader, NIO popping up. Fast move on NIO. I don't have shorts there, but if you guys do, good alert there, NIO. Again, a very fast move on it. Yeah, NIO looking not too bad. Yesterday's highs on NIO were 19.15, so it's sitting right around that area. Sitting right around that area. GI in the low sixes now. Come on, man. GRAF, that was crazy sell-off. Any of you guys have the shorts and got GRAF? That one sold on off 25.50 down to 23.20. So it already popped back on up. I'm trying to find a little bit of support there. Yeah, so I got to find something that's going to be just strictly off the intensity scans at this point, because the three I was watching are, I'm not going to chase those. JKS, it may come back up for us. I hate that that one sold on off a little bit out of the gates, but JKS is popping up back up towards the open of today. I just like that one to get a little stupid. It's already a pretty good setup for us. It's a pocket pair of hands aces, you know. It's a nice setup. It's already overbought. Just need that one to get a little crazy for us. And it is. It's popping up. 37.87, 37.91. All right, so we got that one that may become a play. I'm going to wait for it to get a little fast and stupid. Over 38. Man, anybody get EIGI? Dang it. 604 bids from the 640 watch. If you guys play these higher price stocks, I am kind of watching BYND out of my left eye here. This one's getting a little crazy, and we do have resistance at around 165 on it. 165-ish, all these other upper shadows. It's kind of having a tough time there. If it breaks through that, around 170 is going to be kind of tough. BYND. So we can watch that one too. All right, JKS up through 38. Want to see some really crazy volume come into it. This is good though. This is finally what I want to see. Conscious Vegan, HUSA, gonna pop out of the gates. $3 up to $3.80 at the moment. Good eye there. Good eye. So JKS, I'm watching that one very carefully at the moment. Still a little light on volume. I kind of want that volume to get quick. Ooh, there's EMPH. All right, EMPH getting a little stupid. Guys, on the intensity scans, positive intensity. EMPH just popped that one up. Opened at 78, now up towards around 82. Look left of the chart there real quick. So this one's reaching all new highs. All new highs on EMPH. So that, as well as JKS, I'm watching those at the moment here. JKS and EMPH. For a short. Then, of course, USEG is halted. So everybody's going to be watching that when that gets unhalted there. Halted downward. Did that just open up and sell off and get halted downward? Guess it did. Yes, she did. But yeah, great alerts, everybody. Everybody, we're on top of everything here. We're on top of everything. So, okay, GBR and HUSA. They're trying to. Those are GBR's trying to start getting going here a little bit too. GBR. So eyes on GBR if you guys are watching those little penny stocks. That one's starting to get some crazy volume on it as well. It does have major $2 resistance, and that's coming up to that right now. So we really need to see that crack that level if you guys are interested in playing GBR. Here's kind of the daily chart on it. $2 is going to be tough across the board. Way back in here too. So GBR trying to get some volume. A couple of these stocks are trying to do what OXBR did yesterday. You remember OXBR? That one, all the pre-market attention, then just kind of sold on off. ADIL, yeah, ADIL. That one getting a little pop for us at the moment as well. What's going on with ADIL? Do we have shorts here? Because that one is coming up towards some resistance as well. ADIL getting a crazy little pop right now at 2 out of the gates. EMPH already back down to 81.61. So that's how the intensity scans work. They're highlighted orange. Get ready for the reversal. JKS looks like 2850s maybe. JKS is going to be trying to hold that 9 EMA, so I'm watching it against that closely at the moment on JKS. 3852s is the high. But JKS, I may try to get it on another pop up towards 3852. It's looking heavy here, man. It's looking heavy. If I miss JKS, man. All right, JKS, I'm trying to get that one on a pop back up towards like the 3850s. Kind of looks like it wants to go red on today. It kind of does. It kind of looks like it wants to make that kind of green to red move. ADIL back over $2. No one's trying to hold the $2 area. 220 is going to be really tough on that. Dude, come on, JKS. Give me something. Yeah, I'm not shorting something that's just dropped a point. If you guys got JKS, good work. If you guys got it, good work. But I'm not chasing it here. And today is extremely frustrating for me. All right, WKHS, that's coming down to the 2685. I want to see that one's down towards 26. That's kind of what I want to scale against, that 26 area. Yeah, JKS was the money play today so far. Man, that's exactly what I wanted. Right over 38. I didn't take it. Wanted it a little bit faster. Didn't get it. Nice trade there, Fearless. Got JKS. Great work there. ENPH already down to the low 81s. Nice. If you guys got that, heck yeah. Right off the scans. Right off the scans. So WKHS, I like that sell-off that we just saw. This one's looking heavy. I'm watching it closely against 26. That's what we had marked off today. So WKHS, I'll probably scale into it, maybe 2650s, and then scale into it down. Watching it very carefully. I want to see it flush. That's kind of what I'm looking for at the moment. WKHS to flush a little bit down into the 50s. Watching that one carefully. Very, very carefully. Normally when it happens, it's just really quick, so you gotta have your finger on the trigger. If it's gonna happen. So far, nothing's happening as far as on my side of the street today. I'm trying not to trade emotionally because JKS really, really irritated me. And GALT and EIGI. And about to be WKHS. USEG. Ouch. That halted again on the downside. Dang. Ends in tears every time. HUSA tested pre-market highs at 450. Man, was that a little easy trade off of pre-market highs, 450. ADIL is still trying to hold $2. I mean, this stock is pretty much it at the moment as far as these lower price stocks go. ADIL. Look at these lower shadows against the VWAP. So it's still trying to hold that VWAP. If I were you guys and you were trading this, I'd probably trade it against 190. 190 is the 9, and it looks like that's where all these lower upper shadows are, right around the 190s. ADIL trying to hold. Those lower shadows are telling us that there are buyers. There are buyers, ADIL. JKS popping right back up. Popping right back up right now. Can't make up its mind. It's like, I want to go green on the day. No, I want to go red on the day. No, kind of want to go green on the day now. Well, I won't say that. What's that? It kind of sounds like my wife when she's trying to figure out, when we're trying to figure out what to eat. I wasn't gonna say that, Patriot. We got. I wasn't gonna say that. We got some ladies in here. That's not every girl. It's not every girl. Yep, Daniel. I'm watching JKS at the moment. I am watching that one. ADIL in the 220s. So nice work if any of you guys got ADIL against VWAP. That one was looking very well. That one was looking very good. Like it was holding the VWAP very well. Those lower shadows. So ADIL breakout up towards 230s. What else we got? Yeah, we're not missing anything. ADIL's it right now. ADIL's it. $52. All right. All right, guys. I'm popping up. Popping up MU. MU just popped up on the scan. It's getting a little crazy. 51 right now. I'm watching it against. If we get a fast move up to 52 or 51.50s. Yeah, 51.50s on the chart. 51.50s are going to be pretty tough. A lot of these upper shadows in here. Mainly around 52. Fast move on MU, I'm in that. If we get a fast move. 51.61. Where was that last week? Yeah, it looks like we're getting fast on MU. So I'm going to go ahead and start MU. Feel like I've been a little too hesitant today. So I'm going to go ahead and start MU. Got a 51.14 average at the moment. That's just with a feeler position. But I still want this fast. Still want this fast. Just with a feeler there. Still watching it. I like the 51.50s really fast right here on it, if we could get that. We're seeing a ton of volume come through right now on it. So I'm going to throw another ad in the 31.30s right there. I got a 51.24 average now. This one's getting fast. I'm watching it carefully. I'm going to space these out a little bit. So I'm just, right now, I'm just going to kind of be patient. Just let it play around. See what it does. Because it might try to come up towards 52. So I'm just going to be patient with my shotgun here. Woo, baby! 51.14s? What just happened with MU? Did you guys just hit it? Good God. Alright. Well, I got a 51.24 average. I like it under 51. Just kind of scale out of. Did I say that? Be patient with your Second Amendment? I don't even know what I'm saying, guys. Today's just not been my day, but now it is. MU is my day now. All right, I'm gonna take half. I'm gonna take half off in the low 51s. And I'm gonna take the rest under 51. All right, guys, I'm playing golf. It's golf time. Finally. God dang. Today was just aggravating as crap. But we made it work. JKS, GALT, EIGI, that's what you get. That is what you get. Great job, guys. You're probably in the money if you're still holding this. I'm kind of done with today. I missed 3 plays. I was literally about to go crazy. I was about to goes crazies. But you're probably good. This is probably going to be heavy and come under the 9. You guys are probably good to hold, but I'll take it. Eyes that takes it. We didn't miss anything today. It was just a kind of a frustrating day today. Elijah only took 1 trade on APM for the win. APM, let's pull that up. Oh yeah, this was this was that kind of stock that looked like OXBR actually. Fade all in pre-market and then pop out of the gates. Nice, man. The green team continues. The green team continues. We didn't miss anything today, guys. Just as far as, being on top of it all, I certainly did miss a few different stocks. I was just wanting a little pop on, but we're good. Fearless Trader got JKS, so I'm happy. I am happy. I'll post the chart MU on YouTube so you guys can take a look at that. It's just the old 1-2. Just the old 1-2. You guys hit me up via email if you have any questions at all. I'm out of here. We'll do it again tomorrow. The money team, the green team continues. All right, guys, we'll see you.